Hello BeHappy friends! Today we'd like to show you how to pack for the weekend. That is 3 days, 2 nights. What to bring so you don't need to bring everything, but you got everything. For example, Bali. Because currently Bali have a lot of good deals with hotels and flights. So for flights, as you know, we can bring one backpack or one suitcase and one small bag. So now I'm going to show you what to bring, and everything must fit into one backpack. So you don't need to put your luggage or your bag to check in, so you're ready to go to travel and ready to have a good time. Okay, let's see what we got. We got for 3 days, 2 nights in Bali, for example, we have 5 shirts, 1 shorts, 1 pants, the one that we'll be wearing to the airport and back, and toiletries, so you put your shampoo, your hair gel and everything, electronics and charger, power bank, the swimwear, because you know Bali, so you always have to go to the beach and stuff, and underwear for 3 days and 2 nights, hat, sunglasses, and sandals. Also, with nowadays, don't forget to bring your own health protocols equipment, such as mask, disinfectants, and wet tissue. Alright, I'm going to show you how to pack all this in one backpack. See you in a bit.